guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really cute Christmas DIY for you, especially if you have children or even if you don't. This is going to be cute. Okay, so let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. We're going to be making cookies for Santa and hot cocoa for Santa. So let me show you what you'll need. I picked up this plate from the Dollar Tree, and it just says cookies for Santa. And they had a Santa Claus, and they had one like this, and then I think they had a gingerbread one. So you'll need a plate, any kind of plate. Then any kind of mug will do, and I hauled this quite a while ago from Hobby Lobby. It was $9.99, but when I bought it, it was 40 or 50% off, but I just love it, and it matches my candy tree, okay? So you'll need some sort of mug. You're gonna need these collared craft foam beads, $4.99 from Hobby Lobby. And you can use a 40% off coupon. And then you're gonna need some Dollar Tree little gingerbread shapes. And you're going to need some styrofoam. Now I wanted this about this size because I'm going to be making ornaments for my tree, and also I think it's a good size for a cookie. So I got these at Hobby Lobby, and they were $4 and something, okay? And then you can use a Dollar Tree floral foam, just like this. And then you're gonna need, this came from Hobby Lobby, the Christmas shop, $4.99, but they're 50% off. And it just looks like big marshmallows to me that are cold. You're gonna need some Mod Podge, and you're gonna need some glitter. And I'm using this that I used on my fall sign, scarecrow sign. I still have some mixed in here. You're gonna need a foam brush, probably a glue gun, a knife to cut your styrofoam, and a pencil. So let's get started. I'm gonna cut my tags off, and I'll be right back. Okay, the first thing you want to do is get the styrofoam cut for your mug for your cocoa. So what I did is I just laid down one of these. I laid it down, I put my mug over top of it, took a pencil, traced around it, then used this little foam cutting knife. You could probably even use a plastic knife and just cut around it. And then I just kept shaving it on the sides to get it to where it'll fit. And then you just push it down in your mug carefully like that. Try to get it level because Santa doesn't want anything that's about to tip over. And then you have that. I think this is gonna be so cute. And it really is easy to do, okay? So, and then this is where I cut it out like I told you. I just put my cup on the very edge so that it would be less I'd have to cut, okay? Okay, now what we're going to do is just put our Mod Podge on the top of this and then put our glitter on here. And I've mixed the extra fine glitter that's sort of a bronzy color I got at Michael's when I did my scarecrow picture, and then the extra fine glitter that's more of a brown that I got there as well, okay? And I just put it in one of these and just shook it up. It's an old spice container, and we're just gonna pour some on there, and we're just gonna go around, put it on really good. And then we're just gonna sprinkle some glitter on here and knock off what you don't want. It's kind of a messy project, but it's fun. And I think it's gonna be really cute. I think children would love this. I love it. Okay, and you can take it and just put it in this right here if you want, and just kind of roll it in this. that has dropped. Just don't get your fingers on the top, because if you do, it comes off. But that's easy to take care of. You just put more on there. Okay. Then what we're going to do is get this, our cup, and just stick it down in here like this. And you could do the top last if you wanted. And then just wipe it off your rim of your cup. Okay. And then you can always dab where you took some of it off, where it can look like the marshmallows are melting on there, is what I think it kind of looks like. It doesn't have to be totally white, okay? And that is what we have so far. I think that is adorable, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put my glitter back in my bottle, and then I'll be right back. Okay, what we're gonna do next is take one of these little snowballs and just glue it right here to look like it's a big old marshmallow. You can put it off to the side. I think I will put it off to the side a little bit. And just put you some hot glue on here. And then just press it down. Okay, and this is what we have. And to get this gooey look like the marshmallow is melting, I just took a little bit of this paint, put it on there, and then sprinkled my glitter back over it. And it gives you a look like the marshmallow is ooey and gooey and melting. Okay, so there's Santa's hot cocoa. Now what I want to do is make some cookies. So I took one of these, they're kind of thick, and I just cut it into, and you don't have to be particular, okay? And we're going to do the same thing with this. We're just going to take our Mod Podge. I think I'm going to make one chocolate cookie and one vanilla with sprinkles cookie, okay? And I may even put sprinkles on my chocolate cookie. And just put your Mod Podge all around it. Really well so it soaks it in. Okay, then what we're going to do is sprinkle more of this on it. And you can always put this glitter back in this little container very easily. Okay, there's our chocolate cookie, because you know Santa has to have special cookies, okay? All right, this one doesn't have anything on it. So I may just make this one like a vanilla, like a sugar cookie with sprinkles, because I like those too. My husband really prefers sugar cookies, so I'll make a sugar cookie like he likes, and I really like chocolate chip, so Santa's getting a very special chocolate chip cookie and a sugar cookie with sprinkles. This is so easy, and it really is fun. It's just a little messy. But if you had something like you could set this on top of, it wouldn't even be messy. Like a bottle or something like that. Okay, then all I'm gonna do is open this up and just start sprinkling these on. and pressing them down. And now we have a sugar cookie. I think this is so cute. Okay, let me clean my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, this is what we have so far, a sugar cookie and a chocolate cookie, okay? Now I'm gonna make him a gingerbread cookie because I want a lot of gifts this Christmas. So you just get your, this is gonna be so easy to do. All right, you just get your little gingerbread cut out from the Dollar Tree. Now all we're gonna do is take some of this little scribble paint. I hope you can see it. And we're just gonna make dots for his eyes. Need that one to be a little bigger. And then we're gonna make him a mouth. Gosh, look how cute. I love it, I really do love it. Okay, then we're gonna take, I think I'm gonna try to be all extra, we'll see how this goes, and giving little dots down through here. Oh, that's too cute. I think I just like him with the dots. I was gonna put some of these little foam beads in there, but I think he's getting awful cute just like this. And then we're gonna have to give him some rickrack through here. Let me clean this tip. He's so cute. But whatever, your imagination is your only limitation once again with this. I mean, you can make whatever you want. The colors that you want, you can do whatever. And this is such an inexpensive, now the kids could help you with this. This is really easy and it doesn't take any talent at all. And then there's our little gingerbread cookie, okay? So now we are ready for Santa's visit. We have his cookies and we have his hot cocoa with his melted marshmallow. I think this is such a cute little idea. I'm going to put this underneath my candy tree. But I really do love this. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.